Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find interpreter or live translator in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to find or turn on interpreter or live translators, let's see how can you do that. So for that you just have to install a third party app because your phone haven't any built-in feature for that. So just open your Play Store app, go for search and just search for example, looking for Google Translator. Just search for that, and here you must have to install the app. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. Just wait for its installation. After that, just tap on open to open the app, and here just allow some omissions. You must have to translate your language from here, and after that you can easily make chats. So let's say I'm going to make a message on the WhatsApp, and here first of all, you just have to translate your message using this. Here your selected language, and here your target language. Just tap on this microphone option, then allow while using the app. Once you have that, you just have to speak, and it will automatically detect your voice, and it will convert it to target language. Just tap on this stop option, and here's the translation. Just tap on this copy option. Once you have copied, just open the chat, and here just paste that. So that's how you can easily find interpreter or live translator for conversation in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.